In this tutorial I will show you how to delete direct messages on Twitter. First of all, let's open up the Twitter app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on this letter icon at the bottom right. Tap on any conversation that you want to delete the messages from. To delete any direct message, long press on that message. And then tap on Delete Message. Now remember, the message will be only deleted for you. Other people in the conversation will still be able to see it. Tap on Delete. If you want to delete the entire conversation, just go back. Tap and hold on the conversation. Tap on Delete Conversation.